Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze GM Breweries Limited Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss year on year and quarter on quarter results, but will give more importance for year on year results. Here amount in lakhs. First one is total revenue from operations. Previous year 96 crores, this year 272 crores. Here approximately 180 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 181 percentage year on year revenue was increased. This is very good figure. But we need to remember one point, that is, if we compare current results with previous year results, then we need to consider lockdowns. Last year June quarter contains serious lockdowns, but this year contains only few days as lockdown. We need to remember that point. Other income, previous year 11 lakhs, now 67 lakhs. We'll ignore this one. Later expenses. Cost of material consumed. Previous year 18 crores, now 47 crores. Here approximately 29 crores was increased. Here revenues increased and also cost of material consumed also increased. Later changes in inventories. Previous year 45 lakhs credited, this year 1.19 crore credited. Later employee benefit expenses. Previous year 1.4 crores, now 1.5 crores. Here employee expenses are very less. That means the company doesn't need more manpower to produce their products. Later, excise duty, VAT, TCS. Previous year 68 crores, now 203 crores. Here, most of the revenue going to excise duty, VAT and TCS. We need to remember this point. Here, cost of material consumed occupying less money, but excise duty is very high. Later, finance cost. Previous year 3 lakhs, this year null. That means GM Breweries is zero debt company, that is positive sign. Later depreciation. Previous year 1.8 crore, now 1.5 crore. We'll ignore this one. Next, other expenditure. Previous year 3.09 crores, now 5.4 crores. We'll ignore this one. What we understood based on revenue from operations and expenses. Here revenue from operations are very good and cost of material consumed increased, but excise duty, VAT and TCS are very high for GM breweries. Usually excise duties are very high for breweries companies. Later, profit from continuing operations before tax. Previous year 3.2 crores, this year 15.5 crores. Here profit before tax increase, we'll check it in percentage. The 380 percentage year on year increase, this is very good figure. But we need to remember lockdowns in previous year, June quarter. Later tax expense, previous year 81 lakhs, now 3.9 crores. Later profit for the period, previous year 2.4 crores, now 11.6 crores. Here approximately 9 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. A 379 percentage year on year increase, this is positive sign. Later, earning per share basic, previous year 1 rupee 32 paise, now 6 rupees 37 paise. Here 5 rupees was increased, this is positive sign. Here we have one important point, that is point 2. Impact of second wave of COVID 2019 pandemic on the operations of the company. The company's manufacturing operations were not affected substantially as far as production was concerned, but the sale was affected as the shops throughout Maharashtra were operating for curtailed times and only home deliveries of liquor products were allowed. In view of the complete or partial lockdown in various districts of Maharashtra, sale for the current quarter was less compared to last quarter of financial 2021, impacting profits at operating and net profit levels. We need to remember this point. Now let's check few more points. Go to BSE website. So current price of GM Breweries Limited is 598. Here today 1.59 rupees decrease. GM Breweries announced results at market hours. So results are very good, but market is not considered as a positive. Due to that one, here price was increased 1.59 percentage. It was decreased from 623 rupees to 596. Later little bit increase. Current price is 597. Now check the dividend. In 2018 they gave 3 rupees as dividend and also 1:4 bonus shares. Later in 2019 and 20 they gave 3 rupees as dividend. Due to bonus shares, here dividend was decreased. Later in 2021 they gave 4 rupees as dividend. Here dividend was increased from 3 rupees to 4 rupees. This is very good sign. Now we'll check valuation ratios of GM Breweries. Current market cap of GM Breweries Limited is 1111 crores. Here ROC is 20% and ROE is 16%. Here ROCE and ROE is near to 20%. This is reasonable. Later debt to equity is 0. That means this is zero debt company. This is positive sign. Here promoter holding is 74%. That means this stock is illiquid stock. Later free cash flow for 10 years. Here 432 crores. This is positive sign. Later price to sales 3.27. This is reasonable price to sales. Now we'll check last 1 year price and results. Here we have price chart for 1 year. Before 1 year price is 380 rupees. Current price is 610 rupees. Now we'll check the results. Here we have results for June quarter, September, December, March quarter. In June quarter, here sales was decreased 77% and profits decreased 85% due to lockdown. Then in September quarter, here sales decreased 38%, profits decreased 45%. In December quarter, sales decreased 4%, but profits increased 51%. This is good sign. Later, in March quarter, sales increased 16%, but profits increased 155%. This is very good profit, but we need to find one more reason. Here, other income. In March 20, they got 6 crores as other income, but in March 21, 26 crores. Here, they got 20 crores extra as other income. Due to this one, here they got 45 crores. If they don't have 20 crores extra, then here profits are 20 crores only. We need to remember that point. Later, current June quarter, revenue increased 181% and profits increased 379%. These results are very good. Now see price chart. Here from July 20, price is 380 and May 2021, price is 418. So here 9 months price was not changed much, but here first 2 quarters results are not good, but in December quarter results are good. But price was increased in June 1st. That means here 2 quarters results are not good, but December quarter, March quarter results are good. But price increases from June 1st. Here price increases 427 rupees to 628. Here 200 rupees increase within 1 week. Later price was constant. Current price is 610. In current June quarter results are very good, but price was decreased 1%. We'll see the price of GM Breweries after 3 months. Now check PE of GM Breweries. Here PE before result is 13.8. PE after result is 12.4. Results are very good. Due to that one, here PE was reduced 1 point. Now we'll compare current PE with 3 years and 5 years median PE. Current PE is 12.4. 3 years median PE is 11.7, 13.7. So current PE is near to 3 years and 5 years median PE. That means currently GM Breweries is reasonable or undervalued based on current market conditions, or 3 years and 5 years median PE. Conclusion is pros: zero debt company, year on year results are excellent, reasonable or undervalued based on 3 years median PE and current market conditions. Cons are price increased from 380 rupees to 610 rupees in 1 year. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.